Hey guys, it's KingASSRipper here. Today we're playing a fucking game that a guy named ButtBomb55 suggested I fucking play. We're gonna be starting to play this. Damn. Wow, what is this? Okay, what the fuck is going on? Slowly been coming to terms with my own demise and I'm totally ready to die. Well, like the Andrew WK song. Ha. I misread sick as shit. I'm fucking stupid. Alright. See. Alright. Holy shit. Damn. Fucking scary. Alright. We'll go to the library. God damn, it looks like a fucking nuclear bomb went off. Ha. Fuck is going on? What the hell? Who's this bitch? This person looks British to me. What the fuck? What do I do with this guy? Okay, what the fuck is going on? Ha. Fuck. Patches. Oh, I think I'm pissing this guy off. Tattooed. Ha. What the fuck? I didn't read what that said. I'm gonna say no. Fuck is going on? Locked. Fucking fuck. We're making G go like a fucking hawk. What the fuck was that? Holy shit. What the fuck is going on? Damn. Fucking, what the fuck is going on? They're like shit. Or just skip over fucking everything. I don't know what they said. Oh. What the fuck do I do now? Okay, I went to the glassware, found the fucking key. What the fuck? What the fuck's down here? Ha. Or what a gym. What the fuck is anything around here? Well, no, I'm just gonna go back to the basement. What the fuck? Run away. Oh fuck. I'm going to the basement hall. Damn. Alright, see what the fuck's down here. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ow. What the fuck is going on? Dude, why is there another cat? What the fuck? What the fuck? Who's this? Oh, oh damn, turn into mayonnaise. Fuck, fuck. Fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? What? Fuck. What? What the?